Hi, my name's Josh. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough and talk about some features and benefits of the brand new Fat Bagger or FBI two-piece handlebar kit. I'm going to talk about the handlebar, then I'm going to talk about some features and benefits of the complete kit, which is the way I really recommend it as a complete installation package. Okay, so first and foremost, I mentioned that this is a two-piece handlebar. That's very unique. Very few options out there like that. This handlebar is available in two styles. You've got the spiked pointed tops, or you've got the traditional rounded top. The spiked top's a little bit more popular nowadays. A lot of people are running that design. You can do either one of those, black or chrome. They've got them from different sizes, about 12 up to about 16. So you pick the design, the style, the height, all of that you want. The fact that this is a two-piece handlebar adds some really nice features and benefits for your installation, for your parts managers, for storing, and also for shipping. The fact that it's a two-piece handlebar does make shipping easier. As you can see, nice compact package, easy to keep in the back room on your parts shelf because it is nice and small. Also, again, like I said, the shipping. It is not uncommon for a handlebar to show up sticking out the side of the box. You know, it just happens sometimes. With this setup, they're going to be packaged extremely well. I forgot to mention, all this stuff is, the handlebars are all manufactured in the USA. Okay, so let's open up the box. Package is going to come like this. I'm going to open up the front. As you can see, they package extremely well. I'm going to open up one half of the handlebar. Here is the other half. Going to go together like that. I will unwrap this. So what we've got here is a 12-inch black for a bat wing, which is going to be your street glides, your limiteds, your trikes, that stuff. These are also compatible with heated grips. Okay, so you get the spiky top, which is what everybody's digging nowadays. It's a relatively flat bar. I believe it's got a pullback of somewhere between 7 and 9 inches. So it's a relatively flat. That's going to give you more of that profile, a little bit more of an aggressive feel as you ride the motorcycle. So it is a two-piece, as you can see. Compact design. That's also going to help them on the manufacturing side. It's a whole lot easier to put this on a buffing wheel before you send it to chrome or to powder coat. So it's a whole lot easier from a manufacturing side, the fact that you're working with smaller pieces. Installation techs, you guys see these and you cringe. They have thought about that. So this handlebar actually starts life, I've got a little cutaway right here. This handlebar actually starts life as a chunk of billet, and then they go in and they machine this assembly right here. So on the inside there is no slag. No weld means no slag. No slag means it's not going to chew up your wires as you're doing your internal wiring, okay? So then they start right here, they weld that section on, they weld this down section on, and then it's easy for them to buff it out, get it all nice and clean, then send it to chrome or powder. So huge benefit for running this handlebar design, okay? Some people are going to have some hesitation because it is a two-piece design. They're going to think that there's going to be some weaknesses right here that couldn't be farther from the truth. In fact, if you compare the strength, now what I've got right here is what the junction would look like when the two pieces are held together. I'm going to give a close-up of this at the end of the video. The design down here that's got a through bolt design, this is all solid metal right in this middle section. That means that the torsional strength, the ability of this to flex and twist, is going to be significantly less than that of what you would get in a traditional one-piece bar where you've just got a hollow pipe with a hole punched in it. You're going to get a lot more flex out of a single hollow pipe than you are out of this junction. Plus, once it's been installed on the motorcycle, the fact that it's a two-piece doesn't even matter anymore. You'll never notice it because it's already been installed. You've got the clamp sitting down holding it together. The knurling right here is extra aggressive, so you're going to get plenty of bite when you're putting it on. Now, two-piece handlebar design, nice features, benefits, easy to store, easy to ship, but that is only half the magic. Where this really starts to come into its own is when you do the complete install package. I don't have one of those right here in front of me, but that's the way to order. If you're going to do this, do it as a complete package, and I'm going to tell you why. These guys have finally cracked, the code to figure out how to get a handlebar job done quickly and well. So what they've got is they've got these patented extensions, and that's the magic word, is the extensions. You literally extend your clutch line and you extend your brake line. So you're not having to take the tank off. You're not having to take the exhaust off. You're not going down and touching the transmission. You literally extend where your stock clutch and your stock brake in. You add these little patented extensions, everything loops up into the fairing, pops back out, and now goes on to the top of the handlebars. And all you see now are the extensions coming out of the fairing. Fitment for this is 15 and up Road Glide and 08 and up Batwing fairing. So if you're working on anything older than those years, you're gonna have to do it the old school way. It's gonna take you a little bit more time, it's gonna cost you some more money. But if you're working on anything late model, that is, again, 15 and up Road Glide, 08 and up Batwing. The extensions are just going to attach right to the end of your stock lines. They go up into the fairing, and it will allow you to get the handlebar job done. Per FBI, they say their typical install time for a complete motorcycle, 12, 14, 16, doesn't matter. Extensions and everything, you're looking at internal wire and all that, you're looking at somewhere between 45 minutes to an hour and a half versus the old way of 6 hours to 8 hours. So this is going to be a game changer for you guys, doing these installations. Your service advisors, your service managers, you're going to be able to quote handlebar jobs now much more aggressively. So I recommend go to your local drag specialties dealer, go to your local FBI dealer, order up a set of these handlebars, try them for yourself, see if they really are that good. This is going to be a significant change in the way that we do handlebars. So that's been a quick rundown of the features and benefits of this new FBI 2-piece handlebar kit. Remember, order it as a complete package. That way you get all the extensions, you get the wire harnesses, you get everything you need. Because the bars by themselves are awesome, but the complete package is what's going to change the amount of time that you do the install in. So that's really where the magic's at. Go check out a set. Order them up. Retail price varies between $4.99 and $5.99 depending on the size of the bar that you pick. And try them out for yourself. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think, if they really are all that great. All right, thanks. I'll see you next time.